This is Olivia. Olivia is an owl. Olivia is an organised and optimistic owl. However, Olivia is overly shy. She doesn't like to offer her opinion. Olivia worries that others will mock her opinions. At school, Olivia's teacher asks the class for some opinions on their new book. Owen offers, "The book is so good." Olga offers, "No, the plot is boring." Omar offers, "The boy character is odd." Olivia thinks that the book is outstanding and original, but she doesn't offer her opinion. At home, Olivia's mother is wondering what activity the family should do tonight. Olivia's dad offers, "Play dominoes on the couch." Olivia's sister offers, "Tidy our bedrooms." Olivia's brother offers, "Play soccer indoors." Olivia hopes to put on a jolly movie, but she doesn't offer her opinion. Olivia's friends are choosing what to do on the weekend. Ollie offers, "Spend our pocket money at the lolly store." Oprah offers, "Take a pottery class." Oscar offers, "Go snorkeling in the ocean." Olivia hopes to walk out to the woods and climb the old oak trees, but she doesn't offer her opinion. Olivia is in a bad mood. She never gets to choose what to do, so she is going to offer her opinion more.